Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce the recipe for Kung Pao Chicken. I know you can even buy this dish at the supermarket, but if you're interested in cooking it yourself, I hope this can help you. First, let's prepare the ingredients: chicken breast, peanuts, cucumber, and carrots. Then cut the chicken breast into small cubes. Sprinkle with salt. Add some sugar. Soy sauce and cooking oil. And marinate for 10 minutes. While waiting, cut the cucumber and carrots. Heat the pan, pour in oil, immediately add the diced chicken and stir-fry until golden brown. Add the prepared vegetables, stir-fry over high heat for a while, then remove and drain the oil. Add more oil, along with chopped chili, garlic, dobanjiang, and salt. Stir-fry until fragrant. Return the previously stir-fried ingredients to the pan. Pour in starch water to thicken the sauce, and finally, it's ready to serve. Enjoy your homemade delicacy.